Welcome everyone. Today we're going to discuss the four major types of tissues that are epithelial tissues, connective tissue novis, and muscle tissues. So here are further different types of every kind of tissues. We will be discussing all of. So we have epithelial tissues. They have simple squamous, simple cuboidal, simple columnar, pseudostratified, and then we have stratified squamous epithelium tissues. So first of all, then we have connective tissues, loose connective tissue, fibrous connective tissue, adipose tissue, cartilage tissue, hyaline, elastic and fibrocartilage, bone tissue, and blood. Then we have nervous tissue, and at last we have muscles and three kind of muscles: smooth muscles, skeletal, and cardiac muscles. Starting with the epithelial tissue, first one is a simple squamous epithelium. Here the cells are like flattened, square-like. In simple cuboidal epithelium, the cells are cube-shaped. In simple columnar epithelium, they are a bit elongated and column-like. In pseudostratified, there is false stratification, means false layering, though in reality there are only one layer present. In stratified squamous epithelium, there are different layers of cells present. Coming back to number one, simple squamous epithelium, they are present in the blood lymphatic systems, air sacs of lungs, and also kidneys. Simple cuboidal epithelium is present in kidneys. And similarly, we have different kind of tissues. And in the simple columnar epithelium, they are a bit stratified. There is only one layer present, though they are of different sizes, so they appear to be in more layers. In stratified, there are different number of layers present. Then we have connective tissues. Number one, first one is the loose connective tissue, in which we have different kind of cells like mast cell, macrophages, etc., and we also have fibers in it. These are the loose connective tissues. Then we have fibrous connective tissue. They have different fibroblasts and fiber-like structure, and they have within them nuclear fibroblast is being labeled. This is the picture of the fibrous connective tissue. Then we have adipose tissue. Now adipose here stands for fat. So within the cell there is a big fat droplet, a nucleus, and different cells are present. In cartilage tissue we have chondrocytes present within them and lacunae. Three main kinds of hyaline cartilage, where there are chondrocytes in lacunae and matrix. Now there are two more kinds. One is the elastic cartilage and fibrocartilage. So the basic difference is that what is present in the matrix. In hyaline cartilage, there is nothing present in the matrix. In elastic cartilage, there are elastic fibers in the matrix, and in fibrocartilage, there are collagen fibers. So this is the basic difference between them. In bone tissue, we have the central canal, then lacunae and matrix. And in the blood, there are red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma. Now, in nervous tissues, we have the dendrites, the nucleus, the cell body, the Schwann cells, and the axons, and the myelin sheath, node of Renier. All those structures. Then in muscles, we have smooth, skeletal, and cardiac muscles. And the first type is the smooth muscles, and they are spindle shaped and they are non-striated. Then skeletal muscles, they have striations and they have also nucleus within them, and they are multinucleated. They are attached to the bone with the help of tendon. Cardiac muscles have a special structure that is intercalated disc, that is the cell junction that helps the. Here you can see that smooth muscles have no striations, whereas the other muscles have striations. Thank you for your lovely time. Keep watching, like and subscribe.